You're watching your best friend, Crystal J.
It's your girl Crystal J, and I'm here with another hair review. It's the same hair. This is the sew-in review. Let's just show y'all this body real quick. Y'all see this? It's the same hair review. My initial review being in the description below. But you guys, this is giving me life. Like, my stylists love it. I love it. Like, can you not tell I love this hair? Like, no shedding at all. I bought this in November. It's December. I'm gonna do a screen test live for you guys. This is my screen. So the first thing I'm gonna do to my screen is
just pressing it out and see how pretty and silky that is. So pretty much this is my screen test. And now I'm trying to curl it. It was a bad fail, you guys, because the hair I had wetted previously for this video. But the hair gets a 5. This hair is amazing.
I didn't plan with this screen before the video, so but you guys, this hair is amazing. Like you see this? No, I'm literally pulling this. And it's no hair. Look, no hair in my hand. So, you guys, if you on a budget like your girl Crystal J, this cost me $85.76. I have a 14, 16, 18. Show y'all this body in the back so y'all can see. Y'all see how long it is? Pretty 18. But I'm 5'5", but that's how long it is. See how long it is? This hair is everything, okay? You curl back, it passed my test and everything. Like I said, you got this hair is everything. If you don't believe me, order it yourself. The vendor had great customer service. When I rate my reviews, it's 1 to 5. Hair is 5. Customer service, 5. They constantly check on me, ask me, have I put hair in? They actually emailed me a couple days ago, and I told them no, I haven't. But I'm going to. It's a Diva birthday month. Yes, y'all, I'm about to be 28. Can y'all believe it? But anyway, this is my hair, and I'm loving it. Like, I'm about to do a comb. I'm about to comb some of these curls out, y'all, on camera. See how y'all like it. Y'all see, look, still giving me body. Like, look, y'all, still giving me body. And it's full. It was full bundles. If you saw the initial, you know. So like I said, 14, 16, 18. Thank you guys for liking my new channel. This was your girl Crystal J. Please check out my next video. Mwah. Oh, don't forget to like my new page, subscribe to everything I'm doing. I'm doing giveaways. Once I get to 2,000, I have a giveaway coming. Other than that, you guys come back. Like,
my ego saying no, I gotta make it clear that you cannot the last word. I just wanna save my own, 'cause I'm so over this. You can save your